Hello guys, welcome back, konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. Guys, update here on SMCI. We had yesterday a nice pump here, 17%. Yeah, very predictable price action here. I will show you, of course, here all the drawings, why this is so predictable. Yeah, I'm very bullish on SMCI, but we cannot be too bullish. We have to respect the chart, guys. We have to respect the algos. It is a quite wild mix here between a huge upside potential, but also a huge downside potential. So we have to check the chart now here, and I will give you a recap here of the macro pattern in which we are trading here for SMCI. Everything what I say here, guys, is of course not financial advice. Yo guys, so when we start with the chart, very interesting, because we can see that we have here this black line in the chart here crossing the chart, guys. This is the moving average of the 200 days. I don't know, I don't focus too much on EMA lines. This is not part of my trading strategy. For some stocks, yes, it helps, but usually you can see that here SMCI traded here always far above the EMA 200 day line, even never retouched it. Here the last retouch point was here, and yeah, October 2022, and since here in the daily chart, of course, guys, and you can see the last touch point has been here in October 2022, and since then it never retouched this EMA 200 day line again. So why should we focus on that? Why should we talk about this, guys? And you can see if or when the next retest came, there was no technical reaction at all, guys. You can see that here. This is not a technical reaction when you see these kind of candle wicks here. Nothing, guys. So then we gapped down, and since then we never retested that again. I just want to show you that this line is now showing up here at $45. So that could be here the next retest of this line. But I said it before, I don't focus too much on that, guys. So what I'm focusing on are the price levels here to the up and the downside. Before we talk here about the bear case scenario, guys, I show you the bull case, and then I enable here my drawings. By the way, guys, as you know, I always try to predict here short squeezes on my channel. It's not only SMCI. We have so many squeezes here in the market, guys. Just today, again, one other ticker is squeezing here, which I had on my radar. And also one of my swing trade alerts, which I posted here on Patreon, squeezed yesterday 700%. Absolute crazy. Algo landing zone was this yellow box here, guys, and you can see this ticker just pierced through this box, and we had here a 709% squeeze. I always post here squeeze stocks on Patreon, not only swing trade alerts, also my so-called hot stocks, guys, very popular. Hot stocks, guys, is my personal finest selection of short squeeze stocks, where I expect those tickers here to squeeze in the very few next days. I release those videos every week, and the brand new video is out right now. If you also want to see these squeeze stocks, guys, you can join here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is here the full package membership on Patreon. You get a lot of benefits here, and if you also want to become a part of our trading community, please click here the info card in the corner to get access to this Patreon member link. So SMCI, guys, yeah, if you didn't see my previous videos, very simple setup here. We are trading here in a wedge pattern. It is let's call it three line shape pattern, dreigeteilt in German. Sorry, my bad English, guys. So we have this support line here, which is supporting the price. We had here this fake out, of course, that was just a fake out, a shakeout to shakeout or the trigger stop losses, shakeout retail out of their positions. SMCI reacted here with a squeeze of 170%. I made a lot of videos already here during that time on my channel and said that we will see here a squeeze, and I am bullish on SMCI. So this is here the support, guys. This white line is the support. The last touch point has been here 4th of February, and you can see again we have, of course, a squeeze reaction. The algo is waiting here to buy the dip, and again SMCI squeezed 65%. So the problem is that we're now coming closer here to my top price target here. So we have here two sides of the coin, guys. We have this micro trend pattern and of course the macro trend pattern. In the macro trend pattern I'm very bullish on SMCI, but in the micro trend pattern we could see here a rejection incoming and go down here in the $26 range or even a little bit lower before we see the massive squeeze. Keep that in mind. So when I'm saying I'm bullish, I will never say tomorrow we squeeze, guys. This is bullshit. So what we have here with the with this dreigeteilt, this three line pattern, I don't know how to call that. We have this trend channel pattern here. We have the bullish support line here, and we have this trend channel pattern here, guys, which is usually the support and resistance. And in between, we have this line here, guys. This line acts as a resistance or a squeeze trigger. I said that when we close here with a green candle with volume over this middle line here, we will see a squeeze. This is exactly what happened here right now. The news, I don't know, guys, what the news are telling us here. Yeah, they are, I don't know, guys, it's bullshit. So it's just based on algos here. You can see last time when SMCI tried to break this algo pattern here, had made the gap close here, we had an open gap at $46. You always have to understand that the algos have to close these gaps. This gap was waiting here, have been filled, and that was the beginning of a correction here. But overall, we're trading here still in this trend channel pattern. So I am bullish on SMCI because I exactly know how to trade the stock. That's why it's so easy to make swing trades here and make some money. But we're waiting here for the breakout, guys. What we want to see is a breakout out of this white line here. This is the main resistance. So if we just would draw here a straight line today, that would mean $50, guys, is the resistance. However, we have here some technical setup that the price should come back to $57, close this golden pocket, and then it starts to get interesting. Why? Because this golden pocket, which is still open here, is outside of this trend channel pattern. It could be very similar to Tesla. Tesla had almost the same setup here, exactly the same. After a spike, we had this kind of distribution pattern here, or descending trend channel pattern, and then Tesla had one fake out, and as you all know, guys, Tesla made new all-time highs this year. So this is very, very possible for SMCI as well. That's why I'm so bullish. We have here price goals at least of $96, but I think as soon as we break out of this trend channel here, that will be the confirmation of a bullish reversal, and we will see new all-time highs for SMCI based on the actual situation, guys. This is not financial advice. If they, of course, start to dilute the stock, yeah, massively dilution would kill the momentum, would trap us here in this trend channel pattern. For now, as I said, the price targets what I expect. We have now one more open gap here in the chart at $44. You can see that here. One more open gap. This gap needs to get filled. Yes, we have here minus 5% in the pre-market. Yes, we have the earning reports. Guys, this is normal. We will see some volatility, but overall, I expect the price here between $44 and $50. In best case, $57. But we don't need to do that here in one move. We can come to $50, can come back here, and boom. Then maybe here in April, we start to break out, and that is, of course, the beginning, in my opinion, of the short squeeze. I can already say that here, based on the technicals. So, what is the bear case, guys? We have also to talk about the worst case scenario, the bearish scenario, that we get rejected here. It is possible that we already get rejected here at $44 or even $45, that the EMA 200 day line is a rejection. As I said, between $44 and $50 is our resistance. So it is possible that we start to break out here, maybe with a small fake out here as one more open gap at $51, that we close these gaps, and then, guys, we come down and have to close also the open down gaps which are waiting here at $36, guys, and $29. Even in my opinion, $23 and lower is technically possible, as long as we're moving here in this trend channel pattern. Yeah, even just technically a price of $12 and lower would be possible. But in my opinion, guys, it is possible that the bottom is in. What we need to see to confirm that this has been the bottom, yeah, we need to create higher highs. Yeah, we have already here higher lows. Yeah, here was the first point, November 24, here the second, February 25. But what we still don't see is a price above $48. We have to break this candle here when we start to make higher highs here, and especially when we come outside here of this trend channel, guys, then we have here our confirmation of a bullish reversal. And as I said, to be honest, I expect new all-time highs for SMCI. Yeah, that's it, guys. There's nothing more to say. Of course, you can copy here the price levels from my chart. I think the most interesting one are the price levels here, the open gaps to the upside. As I said, $44 to $51 would be the next price target here in the next days for SMCI. If we get rejected here, guys, don't forget, $36 will be closed for sure. I also think that $29 should be filled, but if we come lower than this, guys, lower than this candle here, $25, be careful. Then we have to talk about the chart again. Yeah, as long as we are trapped in this trend channel pattern here, guys, yeah, we don't yet have a bullish breakout. Keep that in mind. The trend channel pattern is still in control, but as I said, overall in the long term, I am bullish on SMCI. If you want to copy here the price levels, guys, what you see here is everything based on TradingView. This is the chart program what I use for all my videos and all my trades. And of course, I recommend that to everybody who want to learn trading. I use that here since many years. I'm very happy with that. I can give you here a $15 discount link on the premium tier. Also, when you click here, the info card in the corner, you get access to this special TradingView discount link. My friends, that was my update for you on SMCI. I hope that was helpful for you, and yeah, that you enjoyed this video here. If you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I really appreciate that. Thank you for your support, guys, and yeah, have a great day and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten SMCI Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.